Everybody says that these vessels just look stunning. They're a great design, and it's really the evidence that a functional design can go hand in hand with a beautiful design. In the offshore industry, crew and offshore personnel can become seasick, can have homesickness. These kinds of fatigue exist in our industry, and we should acknowledge that, and that's what we have done. We have increased the crew comfort levels to new levels, which we have not seen before in the offshore industry, especially not onboard CSOVs. We really have a home away from home feeling on board by applying a boutique style interior.
We cannot provide very large cabins. Space is very limited on ships. So we really have tried to achieve a very comfortable cabin anyway by using clever materials, appealing color designs. We spend a lot of time in making sure that the wayfinding on board is well designed. The traditional mess room is designed like a restaurant, where you can not only take your meal, but only can relax, have a chat with your colleagues, drink a coffee after dinner, making sure that people interact with each other. The vessel hops from turbine to turbine, and at every turbine a team of technicians is dropped off or taken on board again. So that really needs to be a very efficient flow. From the mess room to a change room to the warehouse, and then in a stepless manner they can bring all their goods via the elevator to the motion compensated gangway and then step on the turbine. Similar to that, they can transfer to boats, for instance to crew transfer vessels, also in a stepless manner, via the height adjustable boat landing which is installed in the stern. There is the motion compensated crane. This crane is designed to bring goods from the vessel to a turbine. The vessel has a large open deck with good access to the sides of the ship, but also to the stern of the ship. This really allows an operator for more flexible functions, for instance working with boats, ROVs or cable lay equipment. Below deck there is a large warehouse where you can even store containers. This vessel is designed to stay on position for a very long time and very harsh weather. In order to do so in the most efficient manner, we designed this vessel with 4 identical azimuth thrusters.
We have thought of a new concept. We call it the Damen DPX Drive. What we have added is improved hull shape in combination with 98 degrees tilted thrusters, which is the first in this kind of vessels. It makes the vessel more efficient and more effective, better DP plots while still having very symmetrical DP plots, and that's exactly what the industry is looking for.
The vessel is prepared for the use of various different future fuels. One of them is methanol, but also the vessel is prepared for the use of hydrogen.
Of course, it's difficult to say what the standards for these new technologies will be in the future. What we have done in this vessel is make sure that we can still adopt all these kind of technologies, and that's what makes the vessel future ready. These vessels are designed as a market demand from the offshore wind industry. What we see now today is that other industries adopt this vessel design as well. So basically it's a very versatile design which can be used in the entire offshore energy industry. We are very grateful to Windcat for this huge opportunity which we got some years ago to really design with them together this CSOV of the future. All successful vessels which we have created were created together with key customers. And of course we know how to build ships and we know how to operate them to a certain extent. But quality in the end is in the details. Also when you talk about operational excellence, that information is coming from our customers. And yeah, this really gives us the feeling that we are on the right track with the CSOV design.